What if we are here for a reason? What if we are a part of something truly divine? Imagine 91 billion light years traveled. Like that.
Sweet dreams are made of this.
Your father has accomplished something extraordinary. Also dangerous. He's trapped by a darkness that's actively spreading throughout the universe. And the only one who can stop it is you. Be a warrior.
I'll try. Sweet dreams are made of this. Where am I to decide?
You're going to be tested every step of the way. Trust nothing.
Darling, time for dinner. Are you lost?
The only thing faster than light is the darkness.